Alright guys, welcome back. Today is Tuesday and I've not updated you guys this week. Yeah, alright, let's see. I was busy yesterday and I actually took a trade which I could not update you guys, but right now I'm just going to quickly show you guys the trade I took yesterday, which was Monday, right? So as you can see, this was good and this was the trade I took on gold yesterday, which was sold, right? So what happened was I waited for price to come back to that zone right there. I waited for price to come back to this zone right here. As you can see, this line right here, right? This was the open. Kind of somewhere here, price opened somewhere here, and price started to move upward. When the price came back to this zone, and I waited for my confirmation, right? I switched to the lower time frame, waited for confirmation, and I got my entry right there. So I took the sales on good and immediately price went into profit, right? But I wasn't even watching the charts. I just sent my stop loss and take profits at night. When I was done with what I was doing, I came back and I saw my trade has already hit TP. So it was a nice trade and it's a very good trade, yeah. And this is one of the things. This is one of the things traders do avoid, right, or do not have, right? Discipline, right? For instance, taking a trade, setting stop loss and take profit and stay out of the charts, which I don't usually do like that, but because I was busy and I wasn't watching, I just stayed away from the chart and I was doing other stuff. Coming back, I saw price has already hit TP, so it's a very good stuff. It's a very good thing to stay away from the chart because it will help your psychology and emotions. To help you control your emotions, right? And I think I will start learning that, right? So without wasting much of your time, let me show you my MT5, right? Let me quickly show you my MT5. So today is Tuesday and I'm also looking for a trade, but I actually missed the trade which I was looking for. So I was kind of busy here. So I was busy and I could not catch that trade. I could not catch the entry on that trade. So I just have to ignore the trade. So it is what it is. I'm still looking at the chart if I can still get any opportunity, but I'm not seeing any. I think it's not clear to me. So, but let's just see how it goes. I might still want to enter trade today, or probably I'm just going to leave it till tomorrow, right? So let's just see how it goes, guys. Alright, this is my MT5 right here, and as you can see, this was the trade I took yesterday. And as you can see, right, I took the trade and I win the trade, which was $11.41. So that's leaving my balance at 990, right? So kind of in the drawdown. Yeah, on Friday I was in the drawdown, about $20 drawdown. So right now I'm up to 990. So let's just see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes. I'll keep you guys updated. If I'm going to take any trade now, so I'm still going to show you guys. So stay tuned.
Alright guys, welcome back. Today is Wednesday and I'm about to update you guys concerning the trade I took yesterday. Right. Guys, just ignore this. I didn't take this trade, but I was just anticipating this zone, that price might come back to this zone and start to reject that zone, and it's actually playing as I anticipated. Right now I think I'm even going to go in on a trade from here. Let's just see how it goes, but before then, let's dive to the reason why I'm doing this clip right now. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm having two trades here, but I actually took one, right? This was a trade I missed. It's kind of, yeah, anticipating to take it, but I didn't take it, right? I also missed it. I wasn't on chart when I got my confirmation, so I just ignored that, right? So later on I got a confirmation for buy and I took the buy immediately, right? And it went straight into profits, giving me about 4 hour, right? This is something I've talked about, and I really need to adjust this, right? It was after this trade I made a video of 3 things you need to ask yourself before taking the trade, right? I don't do that, but I'm just going to learn from my own video. So right now, this trade was running about 4.6 hour, right? 140 pips. My target was 160 pips, and this trade immediately reversed, right? It reversed, and the profit I was supposed to make, I didn't close with that profit. So let me show you on my MT5 quickly, right? So you see how this trade is. All right, I think I've gotten a confirmation for my trade right now. I just need to enter this trade right now. Let's see how this trade is gonna play. Let me go in on this trade. I've gotten my confirmation. Let me go in on this trade. I'm buying right now. I'm going to be risking $4 on this trade. So as you can see, I'm risking $4. I'm just going to be targeting probably $11. Let's just see. Let me see the most recent high. Okay, yeah, I'm going to be targeting that high. I think that's the highest high, right? Alright, I just took this trade on gold buys, right? So I think I'm going to be sharing this on my Telegram channel. Alright, this is the buy I just took on gold, so let's just see how it goes. Let's see how it plays, guys. I'm going to be sharing that soon. So before my Telegram goes up, let me quickly update you guys, right? Alright, as you can see, this was the trade. I took this trade, and like I said, I was targeting 160 pips, but I got 140 pips, but I didn't close, right? So right here, this is my MT5, and as you can see, this is the history, right? Did some kind of mistake though. Alright, here is the trade. I entered the trade with 2 positions, right? 0.01 twice, and this was the previous trade I took on Monday, which hit TP, right? And this was the trade I took yesterday, which was Tuesday, and as you can see, I first closed partial, which was the $5, right? And I was allowing this to run. This was running about $14, right, in profit, but I didn't close. I was targeting $16 as my take profit. Initially, it was close to it, and it started reversing. And when it reversed back, my break even was somewhere around about $5. But it was almost getting to my break even, so I just have to close the trade manually, right? And I was so angry because I just give the profit back to the market. If I had closed that trade right in when the profit was in $14, I would have been up about $1,010, something like that. Yes, because I was in $1,010, but I didn't close. So it's kind of somehow, but it is what it is. Immediately price came down and I took buy again. I had to buy that particular again gold, right, from a particular zone, and I saw price going against me, so I just have to close it and close my laptop, and I'm done for that day. Because if I continue like that, I'm just going to do things I didn't expect to do, right? So I just have to close that trade and close my laptop. Yeah, it is what it is. And currently this is my balance. As you can see, the balance was 999, right? It was 999, but because of this current trade I'm in, the balance, they just removed the commission, so now the balance is 998, right? So let's just see how this trade is going to play. I'll keep you guys updated. So as you can see, I have a zone right here, guys. I have a zone right here which price came to react to, and I said I used to wait for confirmation, which I have done right now. I've gotten my confirmation and I'm taking this buys, right? Let's just see how this plays. If I take loss on this trade, I'm still going to look for entry because currently it's not up to New York session right now. It is 11:31, so I'm still going to look for entry, which I'm going to take if it happens that this trade go against me. All right. So guys, I think I'm just going to share this to my Telegram channel. All right. So let's see. So that's it. Alright, let's just see how it goes. We'll keep you guys updated. Peace. Alright guys, welcome back. Here's the trade I took earlier, and as you can see, I'm currently in profit, right? Massive profits. And this was what happened. Price came to this level, this line right here. As you can see, that was another strong level, which I was kind of afraid of, right? But I know definitely price was going to react from that level, and if I was not in a trade, I would have been looking for entry to sell good from that level. But yeah, I would have waited for confirmation, right? So I was still waiting for that confirmation to know if I will exit this trade, but I didn't get that confirmation, right? I almost exited this trade, but thank God I did not, because I thought I was about to get the confirmation. So I just have to wait for the proper confirmation. That was why I didn't close this trade. And as you can see, price has started to go in my direction. Price just reversed right from here and start going back to my direction, right? As you can see, I'm in profit right now. Profit, right? And let me show you on my MT5, right? So as you can see right here is my MT5, right? So you can see the trade. I'm currently in profit, and I already set my stop loss to break even. So as you can see, I'm up $5, right? And yeah, currently running profit of about $5, and my equity is $1,004.25, right? So I just want to see how this trade is going to play. Let's see how this trade is going to play. I'm already up, and I've already set my break even. But the way price is reacting to this zone, I'm not comfortable. But it is what it is. Let's just see how this plays. I'm just going to allow this trade to run. If I had entered two positions, I would have closed one, right, at that level. Then I will allow one to run, right? But currently I'm only in one position. I'm only having one position right here. So I'll just allow this trade to run. Let's see how it plays, guys. Yo guys, today is Thursday, and as you all know, alright, as you can see, this was the buy I took yesterday on gold. And I was saying yesterday that price get to this zone, and I was trying to look for information for sale so that I can exit the trade, right? So price later started to go up again, but went up and paid a double top, gave me that confirmation for sale. So I immediately closed the buy trade and I took the sell trade, right? And as you can see, immediately I take the sell trade, it went straight into profit, right? So as you can see, it was smashed, but it was smashed my MT5, right? Alright, let me show you. This was something. Right, just came back to this zone, right? When price reached this zone, it started to reverse. It gave this bullish engulfing candle, and immediately I saw that bullish engulfing candle, I was like, price might just continue to go upward, but it is another strong zone, right? So I immediately closed the trade, and as you can see on 5-minute time frame, price just reacted to this zone right here, started to drop back to my TP. It went to smash my TP. By then I'm already out of this trade. It's good to just stick to TP or break even. So I just missed out on this one, right? I was supposed to make $12 because I was initially targeting $12. I was supposed to make $12 on this trade, but I just missed out on this one. So let me show you my MT5, guys. All right. So, as you can see right here, here's my MT5, and as you can see, this was the buy I took on gold. I later closed, right? Immediately I got the sell confirmation. This was the sell I took, right? And the sell went into profits, almost getting my TP. It was running about $9 to $10, right? But I didn't close, right? I was waiting for full TP, right? So when the price gave that bullish engulfing, I was like, this is going to reverse, and I don't want a winning trade to turn into a losing trade. So I just closed. As you can see, it closed at $3, right? So after I just closed, price started to reverse back to my TP. So it is what it is, right? So far, as you can see, this week has been a profitable week. Not it's red, and this was out of prevention trade, right? If you look for my trading view, I've gotten 3 trades in a row, and they are all wins, right? This was Monday, and this was the sale I took on good. As you can see, it was a win, right? This was Tuesday. I didn't take the trade, so I'm just going to. This was Tuesday, and it was a win, all right? It was a win, and this is yesterday, Wednesday. Let's say this is a break-even trade, but if you look from my MT5, it's sort of close at $1.2, right? And this was a winning trade, but because of my psychology, because of still trying to master that very well, because of that, I could not get full TP on this, right? So as you can see, so far I've been on a winning streak this week. So this is what it is. Today is Thursday, and I'm looking for trade opportunity, but I haven't gotten any, right? Let's just see how it is. I think MC, I think this was supposed to be a confirmation for buys, right? Yeah, it's supposed to be a confirmation for buy. But it is what it is. I already missed out on this, right? This is key level right here. This is my key level right here. It's fine. I broke out. This is the London section currently, and this is my confirmation for the buys. But I've missed out on this, so I'm just gonna wait and see what price does. Let's wait for the New York section. Let's see what price market does today. So it is what it is. I'll give you guys a bit.
Yo guys, welcome back. As you all know, I said I was looking for trade during the New York session, right? And I got a trade, right? Alright, let me show you. This was the trade I was anticipating, right? Which I said I missed already, so I just let this play out the way it wants to. And as you can see, if I had entered this trade, it would have been a win, right? So during the New York session, price came back to this key level, right? Price hit this key level, so that was when I started looking for my trade, and I got an entry right from this area, right? I took the trade immediately. It went into drawdown and went straight into profit. Yeah, so I took profit. All right, see, this trade is coming back to my break even. Let me show you guys right now. Check this out, guys. Check this out. I'm currently in this buy. Alright, let's just see how it goes. Let me explain this. Alright, so now I took this sell, immediately hit take profit, and I saw this buy because it came back to this key level right here. Immediately I got my confirmation. I took this buy again, right? Took this buy. Boom. Stop loss has been hit, right? Stop loss has been hit. Alright, so guys, I took this buy immediately, and as you can see, the buy, I was initially targeting this area right here, but I have to extend the take profit to $15, right? 151 pips. So price got very close, but I didn't close the trade because I just want that $15 so that I'll get a round figure, right? But price got so close and started to reverse, right? As you can see, price just hit my stop loss, right? So let me show you the MT5 and show you the trade I took. As you can see, right, this was the trade I took today, the sell on gold, right? As you can see, $11 and $12. I entered two positions on this gold sell, right? Just two positions, risking $10, and I made $23 from it. As you can see, 11 plus 12 is $23. It's actually 24, right? Because the cents at the back of it completed 24. So I made $24 from this trade, this sell on gold, right? So I took this buy immediately after it hit that key. So I was already making about $13 on this trade, right? Just for me to hit $15, but it reversed on me, and it just stopped me out right now, as you can see. So as you can see, so far I'm in profit, right? I have made so far on this account $90, right? As you can see, this is the record from the account, and I think this for the last 6 months. This was when I started this account. So you can see this is the history of this account, and I've made $90 so far. Well, I don't understand how they calculate this, but it is what it is, right? As you can see, my balance on this trade, I'm currently up about 3.6%. I was up, my equity was running 4%, but I didn't close, right? So I'm now up 3.6% right now, 3.6%. So it is what it is. This week has been profitable, like I said. Look at, just imagine the trade I would have taken today, or would have been a winning trade. Let's assume I close this trade right here. Though this is still a winning trade, but let's assume I close this trade right here. It would have been a winning trade, right? As you can see, so far this week I've been in a winning streak, right? I've been in a winning streak. This was the trade on Monday, Tuesday, this was Wednesday, and today is Thursday. As you can see, 3 good trades would have been a win, right? But I didn't take this one, so I just have to delete. So I took these 2 trades, which happens to be wins also. So right now I'm going to be withdrawing, right? Let's head to my Tentrade dashboard. I'm going to be withdrawing right now. Let's see how it goes. Let's see. I'm going to be making my withdrawal right now. It's a good week. And guys, if you want to get an account with Tentrade, use the link in the description of this video and you'll get a discount, right? Use the promo code to get a discount, right? All right, let me make a withdrawal. My birthday is coming up. Here's my dashboard, right? So I just have to go down to the help desk and add new ticket. Let me see the close ticket. Let me see the previous ticket. All right, withdrawal request, right? That's what I have to just do, right? All right, title withdrawal requests, description, request for profit split. All right, and submit. All right, as you can see, let's watch how long this will take. This is 408, right? So let's see. I just request for the profit split and let's just see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Right. Let's see how it goes. I'm just going to keep refreshing this page and let's see how long it's going to take. Alright guys, today is Friday and after a long wait yesterday, this was what happened. Alright, as you all know, I requested for payouts yesterday and I waited for long and I didn't get any response. Today being Friday, that was when the ticket was closed, right? So let's see what was the response. Alright, as you can see, this was what was sent to me, right? This was their response after requesting for payouts. Dear funded trader, please be informed that you cannot withdraw at this stage. You must either trade for at least 5 days and achieve 10% profit, or trade for at least 15 days with a minimum with at least 5 active trading days and withdraw any amount. Kindly refer to these full terms and conditions below. All right, what does this mean? It means that I cannot withdraw at this moment, and the last withdrawal I made was on the 18th of March, and counting from that day is not up to 15 days yet, right? If I want to withdraw now, I should make 10% profit, right? That's the only way I can withdraw now. But if I cannot make 10% profit, I have to wait for 15 days from that day which I made my last withdrawal. So that's what this simply means, guys. So that means I'll not be withdrawing this week. Probably I'll be waiting till next week, so I have to continue trading on this account. All right, let me show you the trade I took today and how it went. All right, this is my chart on gold, and this is the, let's go to the 15-minute time frame, right? All right, here's the 15-minute time frame. I guess the history, this is not the chart. All right, here's my chart, right? So let's see. This was the trade I took today during the London section, right? The first trade I took was a buy on gold, and this trade went to profit. Straight in profit, came back to my entry and moved upward again, right? By then, I now set my break even, right? Just very close to my entry point, right? Now, price came back to stop me out, right, at that break even with minimum loss, with a small loss of about $1, right? Then I now got a confirmation for sale and I jumped in on this sales, right? Immediately after I got stopped out, right? And price just went into little profit and reversed back on me, hit my stop loss and went to my initial take profit. This was supposed to be my first take profit, right? For the first trade, the buy trade I took, and you see, price never came back to my stop loss, and price just went straight to TP. If I had not closed that trade, I would have gotten this trade as a win, right? And I would have been in a winning streak straight, right, for 5 days. As you all know, I won the trade for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and today, Friday, I lost this trade, right? All right, let me quickly show you on my MT5 so you see how the trade plays, right? So here is my MT5, and as you can see, I was up about $38, right? So here's the history of this trade, and as you can see, this was the last trade I took yesterday, which was Thursday, right? I took about 3 trades. This was one trade, which is 2 positions, sell on gold, and I made about $24, right? And I took buy on gold and I made $8.29, right? Then today I took the buy on gold. Like I said, I said break even. Just like it was close to my entry point, not above it though. So I took $1.37 loss and 0.14 cents per year, right? Then this was the sell I took on gold, right? As you can see, this was the sell. The trade was about, it is, let's say, almost $5 today, almost 9. Altogether, everything was $10 loss, right? As you can see, let me show you the trade for today. So as you can see, the total loss for today was 9.44, right? Which is $10. Let's just say approximately $10, and that's my max loss for the day. All right. So immediately I got that loss, I stopped trading, and I said I'm done for the day. Yeah, I'm done for the day. And as you can see, my balance is sitting at $1,026 for the profitable week, right? So next week I'm going to continue from here. I guess I'm not going to be withdrawing very early. I'll just try to trade this account throughout next week, right? But let's just see how it goes. I might withdraw my profit within the week, but let's just see how it goes. Thanks for watching, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and share this video, right? Share this video. And also, if you want to get a prop firm like this that I'm trading, use the link in the description of this video to get a prop firm. Tentrade has live account, which is instant funding. You don't need to pass any challenge, you don't need to pass any phases, right? You just have to pay your money and you get live account and start trading immediately. So if you want some account like that, check the link in the description of this video. Peace.